Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're diving into another essential skill, data manipulation in Excel. So just like what we did in our document formatting tutorial, we're going to keep everything simple, clear, and beginner friendly. Building our dataset. So before anything else, let's start by creating our dataset. We'll be entering the names, gender, age, and income of our sample respondents. Creating a properly structured table is important because it helps you keep your information organized and makes analysis much easier later on. So on column A, we'll place the respondent number. Column B for names, column C for gender, column D for age, and column A for income. Setting up your data this way is the foundation of good data manipulation. It keeps everything clean, structured, and ready for sorting, filtering, and analysis. For this example, we only have 10 respondents, and later in the video, you'll see how this small dataset can give us meaningful insight. So, formatting our table. Now that our data is ready, let's start formatting it. First, highlight the title row and fill it with yellow color so it stands out. Next, highlight the entire dataset and apply all borders under the borders tone. This makes your table cleaner and easier to read. So, creating a data analysis table. Next, let's analyze our input data by creating a simple data analysis table. Here we'll capture the following. So, sum of all income, average income, minimum age, maximum age, number of male respondents, number of female respondents. These are very easy to compute using Excel formulas. 1. Sum of income. So select the cell where you want the result. Type equals sum, open parenthesis, then highlight the income column from A2 to A11, close parenthesis, and press enter. So second is average income. Type average, open parenthesis, then highlight the same income range A2 to A11, press enter. Number 3, minimum age. Type equals min, open parenthesis, then highlight the age column from D2 to D11, add the closing parenthesis, and then press enter. So, number 4, maximum age. Type equals max, open parenthesis, then highlights D2 to D11, close parenthesis, and press enter. Number 5, count of male and female respondents. We'll use the COUNTIF function for male equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis, C2 to C11, comma, male, then close parenthesis. For female is equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis, C2 to C11, then female, open parenthesis. So these formulas instantly tell you how many males and females are in your data set. So formatting the data analysis table. So formatting the data analysis table. To make the analysis table look cleaner, highlight the title row and add a fill color. Then highlight the result cells under each label to separate labels from computed values. This makes your analysis more organized and professional. Based on our calculations, the average income is 4,235. Conditional formatting. Highlighting high income. First, highlight the income column. Go to the Home tab. Conditional formatting. Then highlight sales rules greater than. A small box will appear. Type 4235 or 4,235. Choose your preferred highlights color, then click OK. So creating a chart. Now that our analysis table is complete, let's visualize our data using a chart. Highlight the data you want to include. In this case, age and income. Then go to Insert and choose the line chart. You'll see two lines appear. The blue line represents age. The orange line represents income. You can customize your chart by editing the title, adjusting colors, adding data labels, and resizing it. So creating a pivot table. Now let's move on to one of Excel's most powerful features, pivot tables. This tool helps you summarize large data sets, present information clearly, and instantly spot patterns. So first, highlight your entire data set from top to bottom. Go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. A window will appear. Make sure your data range is correct. Choose New Worksheet and click OK. On the left, you'll see a blank pivot table. On the right, the pivot table fields panel. This is where all the magic happens. Organizing the pivot table. Drag gender to the rows area. Excel will create categories for male and female. Drag income to the values area. Excel will automatically compute the total income per gender. Drag each to the values area. Change it from sum to average by clicking value field settings. Now, your pivot table shows the average age per gender and the total income per gender, all calculated instantly. Pivot table allows you to break down your data quickly without any complicated formulas. You can customize your analysis just by dragging fields around. Wraps up our Excel data manipulation tutorial. I hope this video helped you understand the basics from building your dataset, formatting your table, using formulas, applying conditional formatting, creating a chart, and even making a pivot table. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorial videos. So, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.